Oh. And the thingy is gonna go down and hook us up, and then we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna go down and water bucket release. Oh yeah.
Chicken jerky!
Flint and steel! Popo. Oh yeah. Flint and steel!
I am Steve! Are those glasses gonna fall off?
Oh no, they're fine. There's a strap on the back.
Oh, okay.
Like the strap that, like, y'all were at Walmart and got the strap.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? R.I.P.
Oh my god, it's actually pretty.
Oh yeah.
You're not gonna die. It's fine. I'm scared.
Z, you're gonna be fine.
It's gonna be fine. It's so pretty up here. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die.
I love you too.
Water bucket release! What?
Chicken jerky!
Water bucket release! I am Steve. Oh.
Can you push down on this?
Oh, push down?
Push down.
Oh my god.